Hey, good evening, guys. Doing something a little different. We're fishing downtown Waco on the Brazos River. Right here, I got a phone call from a friend, just a last minute thing, like, hey, you want to come fish at the suspension bridge on the river? And I don't river fish much, so hopefully you can show me a couple tricks and get us on some fish tonight. So stay tuned. They said we're here on the river. We're fishing with tortillas, folded over and squeezed tight a couple times. We're just gonna go through it. We're using smaller gear than we usually use when we're out catfishing the lake. Per Billy's suggestion, I got a real small weight, and then just a real short leader, and it's all tied. It's all tied as one. It's got no slide in it. It's just tied to the main line. So I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna throw this one too far out. I'm just gonna toss it. I think right there, that's where it's gonna go.
It's deeper there, you think?
Just put it in the pole holder and we'll see what happens. I think I'm on something. Yep, we're on. Swimming toward the shore. What is this? Dude, that might be my new PB. Oh. Here. Just don't cut the wrong line. I realized I almost did that.
Sure.
That's a big boy.
That's what we talked about tortilla fishing, Captain. Oh yeah, perfect hook scent too.
Look at that.
Is that little hook I gave you, or is that the other one?
That's mine. Let's get a weight on this guy.
I'm guessing 9.
My personal best is 7, and he looks bigger than that. £10, 10 ounces. So this is 5 ounces, so he's a total of 10 pounds, 5 ounces. Here we go. We're gonna let him go. Caught him on a piece of tortilla and a little hook down here at the river. Good fish. That was a good fight. All right, it's the end of the evening. Just a short trip. I was only out here about an hour, hour and 20 minutes actually. Caught that one. I'm being told it's a smallmouth buffalo. So if it's not a smallmouth buffalo, please tell me in the comments. I'm not sure. It is my personal best. It's 10 pounds, 5 ounces is what it measured at. And that comes in at my personal best, even if it's a carp. So it's a good night of fishing. Good night of fishing. The guys that I came down here with, they run a Facebook page. I'll leave a link to that in the description. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share. We appreciate it.